Unknown gunmen have visited one of Sabo in Biafra land. Hello, my wonderful people. Yeah, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never subscribe to our channel, please try to subscribe to our channel and turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get them. No forget to share our video, very important, so that other people will get the information and the message what they pass through here. Okay, let's go and look into the Ogwenge news we will get for hand today. They say Kasala don't boss, so they say things are really happening and water don't pass Gary. As they bring her back to back as they happen, we are here to bring them again to you. They say government don't visit one house for Igbo land and set everywhere ablaze. But the real details of what actually happened here is still unknown. We are looking closely to find out what happened, and we are going to bring you the more information about that. However, we are going to play you the video of how this house they burn yata in the middle of the night. May you stay tuned and watch the video before we come back and continue. So my people, this is now the video where they talk about. You see how they burn down everything in this particular house. So we are looking close to bring you more information of where this thing they happen. So the poster of this video did not disclose any location or say anything. So we are investigating to know where this thing actually happened in Biafra land. We are going to bring you the update. So this is not the house we will talk about. May you stay tuned. If you get information too about this particular resident, may you not forget to let us know. Thank you so much. No be smart, things are really happening. Everyone should be very careful the way you go about on what you say and what you do, because so many people have gone for this struggle. So the federal government do not love that. If they truly love that is as they claim, there should be a negotiation to end all these things, because who built this house actually? We build it on top of the blood of Biafrans. Because when you are fighting against your people, you are actually using them for rituals, because you are gaining from the oppressors. This is what is actually happening in Biafra land. So may you watch the video from beginning to end, and we'll come back, continue. There's so many things we'll get to say here today. Okay, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and see what actually happened in that particular place. Everything, cars, house, paint house, security house, everything there was set ablaze by unknown gunmen, and the information is not yet clear. But we are looking closely to see what is going on in this particular place. Don't be smart, things are really happening in Southeast as we talk. Let's go and look into the next Ogwenge news we will get for hand today. They say one man will abuse and threat to arrest Simon Ekpa in Finland has been arrested and been waiting for deportation. We are going to play you the video where the man is hosting a protest against Simon Ekpa, and there is a write-up over there as well for you to read. Okay, stay tuned. Let's watch it together.
Operation like as Finnish suffered, and we know that Finnish, they are not too big, but they are strong, determined, and in this quest of freedom, Finnish stand their ground, and now Finnish is one of the most powerful nations. Everybody wants to come. And at the same time, in 1967, when our mothers, our fathers...
Okay, my people, welcome back. This is not the man who would they talk, where the PM will be Simon Ekpa don't post for in Twitter and say this thing. Now the man will be say in the talk against him He said currently this man is facing deportation to Nigeria. So this information is coming direct from PM, will be Simon Ekpa, and if I believe that if any more or any other information regarding this is going to upload it as well. So let's go and look into the governor of Anambra State, the sitting governor of Anambra State, will be Charles Soludo. Soludo was one of the people who are talking sense concerning what is happening. So the sitting governor of Anambra State, which is Soludo, who are, like we'll call him out in our video yesterday, that what actually happened to all these views, ideas that he gathered when he never become a governor. Is that mean that all this thing he's saying it to become FM, or he's saying it to be supported to become a governor? So the Biafras are asking question to Soludo, what happened to this your ideology and this your analyzation? What happened to it? Let's play the video for you to watch, then we'll come back and continue.
We are one of the countries under the red alert list. And so it hasn't worked. The concoction hasn't worked. The 36 state structure that we have today, Ofodile argues very forcefully that this current 36 structure is contrary to the instruments of surrender of Biafra. That there are 3 conditions that they agreed on the instruments of surrender. One of which was that the Biafrans accepted, said, we accept the current structure, which then was a 12-state structure. And that B or C of it was that any future change must bring all Nigerians on the table to agree. And that these were the things they signed at the instrument of surrender, but that the military unilaterally subsequently changed the structure without then the participation of the other side. And he argues that this is against the instrument of the surrender, and that no wonder the Southeast has been marginalized out of it, 5 states out of the others having 6 and 7, as the case may be. Now there is the issue of unitary fiscal federalism instead of the 1963 Republican Constitution on fiscal federalism. There is the expansive exclusive list and having overpowerful Abuja. The development process is a trickle down from Abuja to the rest instead of a bottom-up economic and development arrangement. The census and revenue allocation that disadvantages the Southeast.
A reasonable Biafra should know that this is a total betrayal. You are one of the person who are talking sense and later change because you are not a sitting governor. Why you people cannot use this energy to speak against adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and demand for his immediate release? Are you telling me that if the whole state in Eastern region raise up and say, if you don't release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we won't have anything to do with federal government? Are you telling me that federal government with the power of the states is going to fight the state? The answer is capital no. But because of these evil people, anytime you see any politician talking, is the liar, a very big liar. Don't mind them, they are deceiving themselves. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released. That is what we know, and nothing will stop that from happening. Hello my wonderful people, no be smart, you know, and so we'll see them today, and I will say more and come give now. They say that Nigeria military are planning to deploy more than 2,300 soldiers to Southeast to fight non-government ESN and the Biafra Liberation Army. No be smart, things are going to be happening very soon. So the youth should be very, very careful. If you are not among those people, mind how you walk and how you come back. So this information is authentic, not a fake news. So please, I want you to share this video as many as you can, and also follow all our social media handle. We are on Twitter, we are on Facebook. Our Facebook page is currently having some issue now, but we are working to restore it. shortly, but you can still engage us over there. So let's stop here today, and we are bringing more updates today. Stay tuned. Check our first update and the next one we are going to drop as well after this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching.